Have you ever felt like your dreams are constantly hovering just beyond your grasp? Like there's an invisible barrier keeping you from the life you truly desire? What if I told you there's a proven path to break through that barrier and make your dreams a reality, not someday in the distant future, but right now, immediately? Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we'll unveil the secrets to immediate manifestation. We'll explore the extraordinary power of your mind and how it can shape your reality. The core concept is simple yet profound. Your imagination is the key to unlocking your desires. This isn't about wishful thinking or hoping for the best. This is about a deliberate, actionable process that harnesses the innate power within you to create the life you've always envisioned. In this video, we'll break down this process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. We'll look into the techniques that can accelerate your manifestations, allowing you to experience tangible results in your life. We'll also address the common obstacles that might arise and provide you with strategies to overcome them. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to manifest your desires immediately, stepping into a reality where your dreams are no longer distant aspirations but your everyday experience. Let's start on this journey by understanding the incredible power of your mind. The world around you, the experiences you have, the circumstances you find yourself in, they are all reflections of your inner world. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your assumptions, they shape your reality. It's like having a powerful projector within you, casting the images of your mind onto the screen of your life. This concept is rooted in what is known as the law of assumption. It states that what you assume to be true will eventually become your reality. Your assumptions act as magnets, attracting experiences and circumstances that align with those beliefs. If you assume abundance, you'll attract opportunities for wealth and prosperity. If you assume love, you'll draw loving relationships into your life. And if you assume limitations, you'll create obstacles and barriers for yourself. The good news is, you have the power to change your assumptions. You can reprogram your mind to align with your desires. This starts with awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and beliefs. Notice the stories you tell yourself about who you are and what's possible for you. Are these stories empowering or limiting? Are they helping you move towards your goals or holding you back? Once you become aware of your thoughts, you can start to shift them. Challenge the negative beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations. Visualize yourself already living your desired reality. The more you focus on what you want, the more you'll start to believe it's possible. And as your beliefs change, so will your reality. Your mind is a powerful tool. It can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. By understanding its power and learning to harness it, you can become the conscious creator of your life. You can manifest your desires, not through wishful thinking, but through the deliberate and intentional use of your mind. Now that we understand the power of our minds, let's explore the process of manifestation. This isn't some mystical or complicated ritual, it's a clear, logical sequence of steps that anyone can follow. The first step is to get crystal clear about your desire. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? It's important to be as specific as possible. Instead of just saying, "I want more money," clarify how much money you want and what you intend to do with it. The clearer your vision, the easier it will be for your mind to focus on it and attract it into your reality. The next step is to infuse your desire with emotion. Feelings are the fuel that powers manifestation. When you connect with the joy, excitement, and gratitude of already having your desire, you send a powerful signal to the universe. Imagine how you would feel if your desire was already fulfilled. Hold on to that feeling, let it permeate your entire being. The more intense the emotion, the stronger the manifestation. This is where the magic happens. Once you have clarity and feeling, it's time to assume that your desire is already yours. This means living as if your desire has already manifested. It's about embodying the feeling of having it, even if it hasn't physically appeared in your life yet. This might sound counterintuitive, but remember, your assumptions shape your reality. By assuming your desire is already yours, you align your thoughts and beliefs with its fulfillment. The final step is persistence. Manifestation is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. It requires consistent focus and belief. There will be times when doubts creep in, or you feel discouraged. That's okay. The key is to keep returning to the feeling of having your desire. Keep visualizing it, keep affirming it, and keep expressing gratitude for it. The more you persist, the stronger your manifestation becomes. Now that we understand the process, let's look into some powerful techniques you can use to accelerate your manifestations and experience immediate results. This involves creating vivid mental images of your desire as if it's already happening. Close your eyes, relax, and imagine yourself living your dream life. See it, feel it, hear it. The more detailed and realistic your visualization, the more powerful it will be. These are positive statements that reinforce your desired reality. Repeat them regularly, with conviction and feeling. For example, if you want to attract abundance, you might say, "I am wealthy and prosperous." Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your desires. Expressing gratitude for what you already have is a powerful way to attract more abundance into your life. Take time each day to appreciate the good things you have, big and small. This sends a message to the universe that you're ready to receive even more. While the process of manifestation is simple, it's not always easy. Along the way, you might encounter obstacles that can hinder your progress. Let's explore some common challenges and how to overcome them. These are deeply ingrained beliefs that tell you what's possible and what's not. They can stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or even your own self-doubt. Limiting beliefs can act as roadblocks on your manifestation journey. To overcome them, start by identifying them. What are the negative thoughts and beliefs that keep popping up? Once you're aware of them, challenge their validity. Are they based on facts or just fear? Replace them with empowering beliefs that support your desire. Doubt and fear. These are natural emotions that can surface during the manifestation process. Doubt can make you question whether your desires are truly possible, while fear can hold you back from taking action. To manage these emotions, practice mindfulness and self-compassion. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment, and gently remind yourself of your power to create your reality. Focus on the positive aspects of your desire and the joy it will bring. Manifestation takes time. It's not always an instantaneous process. It's important to trust the timing of the universe and have patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep focusing on your desire, maintain the feeling of having it, and trust that it's on its way. While manifestation is primarily a mental process, it's important to understand that it doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for your desires to fall into your lap. Action plays a crucial role in the manifestation process. Once you've set your intention and aligned your thoughts and feelings with your desire, you'll start to notice opportunities and ideas that can help you move closer to your goal. These are what we call inspired actions. They come from a place of intuition and excitement, and they feel aligned with your purpose. Pay attention to these nudges and take action on them. They are the universe guiding you towards your manifestation. The key is to ensure that your actions are in alignment with your desires. If you want to manifest abundance, take actions that support that goal, like seeking out new opportunities or investing in your skills. If you want to manifest a loving relationship, take actions that cultivate self-love and open yourself up to connection. When your actions are in alignment with your desires, you create a powerful momentum that accelerates your manifestation. Manifestation is not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process that requires consistent attention and care. Once you've manifested your desire, it's important to maintain it. Staying in the feeling. The key to maintaining your manifestation is to stay in the feeling of having it. Continue to visualize it, affirm it, and express gratitude for it. This reinforces the belief that it's yours and prevents any doubts or fears from creeping back in. Continue to express gratitude for your manifestation, even after it's arrived. This shows the universe that you appreciate its gifts and are ready to receive even more. Gratitude keeps you in a state of abundance and attracts more blessings into your life. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously creating the life you want, one desire at a time. By understanding the process, overcoming obstacles, and taking inspired action, you can manifest your dreams and live a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Don't wait for someday in the distant future. Start applying these techniques today. Set clear intentions, feel the emotions of having your desires, assume they are already yours, and take inspired action. Trust the process, be patient, and watch as your dreams unfold before your very eyes.